Hi guys, Johnny O here. I'm at the shop. I'm going to give an update on the Grand National project. What you see in front of you here is the frame with a bunch of stuff assembled on it. And the frame has been sandblasted and painted. And let's get a little closer look here to some of the stuff that's on here. Basically, everything that's on here is pretty much new stuff, new parts. We've got UMI Performance sway bar for the front. All the steering linkages for the steering have been replaced. That's all Moog. It's heavy duty stuff. They took my steering box and painted that all up, cleaned it up. So that's the original steering box, but it looks like new. And the upper A-arms and the lower A-arms have all been replaced. They're also UMI Performance parts. We've got new KYB shocks, new springs, new brake calipers. All the lines on it have been replaced. These are stainless steel lines that go up to the brake calipers, the little extensions here. And they're braided steel, and then the fuel lines and the brake lines and everything are new stainless steel lines. So we'll give a walk around here slowly, as slow as I can go here. Same thing for the other side. When they did the frame, they had to repair the mounts where the body mounts go in, the holes. I got frame repair washers, and the holes were bigger. They had to weld those in. Moving to the rear end, fuel filters mounted in the proper stock location. The rear end that's in here is a Ford 9-inch Curry rear end with 350 gears. More teeth on the spline. I think it's a 31 tooth. We've got new KYB shocks on the back, new springs. The control arms are Metco control arms for the upper control arms. And the lower control arms. I'll get a shot over here, down here. You can see these are all adjustable. New brakes on the rear end. These are bigger brakes that are compatible with the new rear end. The emergency brake cables are all hooked up on there. We'll get a long shot from this angle here. They should be picking up the motor from the machine shop next week at some point in time. And I'm not sure if I'll make it back here to do a video of the motor with nothing assembled yet, but that's a possibility. So that's where we're at the moment. Nothing as far as paintwork on the body. They're trying to get the foundation all set where they can drop a motor into it and a transmission and get a drive shaft ordered, and then concentrate on the body stuff. So that's where we're at today. Thanks for watching.